Welcome everyone to my new video presentation, another episode on Polkadot price prediction for late May 2024, talking about its topic, this cryptocurrency, which back in the day used to deliver a lot better. Now we would like to see how this one is going to react to the macroeconomical bullish conditions with the yesterday's announcement on the inflation, and that is keeping the topic alive, giving some relief rally to the alts. We're actually expecting, just like BTC is behaving, for a very strong continuation even in the altcoin sector. Bitcoin is above $66,000. It's not really facing any form of a selling pressure right now, and it's making their way towards 70 grand, which is a very important level with liquidity, especially around 71,600s. Now, what about Polkadot? I mean, we're up by 3.9%. Is this all we can do on a macro bullish reaction when you get, some of the other alts? Immutable 17. Let me just go a little bit higher. Thorchain 15%. I'm not going to talk about the meme ones that are doing massive percentages. Near Protocol 13%. Solana 12%. I mean, where is Polkadot? How such tremendous underperformance is possible, folks, in the past couple of weeks? And when you get the bullish reaction, Polkadot is doing 300% less than the other cryptocurrencies. The Graph 15, Say Crypto 21, Ondo 13, but even the other ones are just, if you look at this page right here, the ones that we have, Polkadot is the weakest. Obviously, this is not going to be like this forever. You're going to have days when Polkadot will do 25% and the other ones will do 6%. Just like we are already used that the altcoins are moving in cycles. It's not possible to expect that every single altcoin should do just like the highest altcoin percentage delivered during that day. Don't expect it like that, and do not put a tag, especially a negative tag, forever on a crypto which is in a bad shape. Polkadot right now, it's not in its best shape of strength, yet technically looks very good to become a very strong crypto in terms of market movements. So let's find out more on that. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Put your thoughts in the comments area. If you care about trades, I do have my BTC live trade running around, still holding and riding this one quite well. Huge profit out here, huge profit on the margin as well, delivering. If you want to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. We use our ChatGPT to perform, just a commission from the profits made, including the one-on-one coaching program. If you are serious about crypto trading, serious about going financial free, it's time to learn it. Now, Polkadot, 4-hour candles. I'll talk about the coaching and trading at the end. What about the situation here in a price prediction, folks? Well, just like you can see, we got some of the altcoins up here. BTC is somewhere here compared to its high. We got Pepe Crypto, the meme, the main one, right? It broke all-time high. Polkadot is not near to all-time high. It's out of discussion for Polkadot all-time high. Polkadot is struggling right now to give us in a 4-hour candlestick candle 5%. It's struggling. It's struggling to hold levels, Polkadot. So it is a situation here that must change. It is a situation where Polkadot, needs to do 4-hour candlesticks that are very near of 10%, and they gotta print those one after the other in order for us to change something on this crypto. Now, the idea is we're still in an accumulation phase here for Polkadot. This is obviously going to end very soon. Last time you got rejected by 200 days moving average, the blue line, including the zone of supply, which is sitting around 7.5. As soon as we break out of that, we could expect basically an accelerated momentum, which is something that I definitely expect on the Polkadot side. What do we look forward? Well, targeting the reverse golden pockets should not be a big deal. Should not be a target that you should call tremendous, like 20% from the level we are right now, should be delivered in a strong bullish altcoin day. What do we expect basically from Polkadot as soon as the environment becomes bullish for the alts as well? and strongly bullish, not just, movements like this. Because with such strength, you're not going to be able to talk about levels on double digits again. You might need months to reclaim that. And we don't want that. I would actually talk about an ambitious perspective, which is, slightly above 9.5 and below $10. Right? So there is a liquidity zone right there in a supply perspective. The golden pocket is there. You have, difficulties with that one for sure. And the movement from here into that level, up to $10, let's say, will represent 45%. And that's a good relief movement. From where you can expect a correction. You obviously want to end that quickly and make sure you're not going to lose your reverse golden pocket with such a perspective. And that means the, $8.5 should not be lost if we retrace basically from $10 or 9.5 mark, right? So if you go like this, you break out, you retest, you should not lose this level if you're aiming basically for the highs of the market, again, for the double digits confirmation. If you lose that level on $8, you're gonna form, a lower high later on, right? So you're gonna be like this, and then things are going to remain in this area for another few months. And you don't want that. No one wants that basically with Polkadot. Now, the bullish scenario, the bullish idea is just following basically the path of the market. Yeah, this altcoin needs that momentum, needs that aggressiveness, which is not really having it at the moment. Market makers can easily take this thing up to a 20% movement in a day, which is something that would take us basically to the top of the reverse golden pockets right there on $8. And then from there to get into the 9.5, 9.6, 9.7 would actually require another 20% movement, which can be constructed through, a week or 2 weeks of activity. So not a big deal at all, folks. We're not in a bad shape right now, just like I said, looking for the future. You're in a bad shape comparing yourself to the altcoins. You're in a bad shape by seeing lack of force and strength, lack of confidence by traders, lack of participation in Polkadot. It is a cryptocurrency which at the moment is clearly underperforming on their price section. It has been retracing a lot and it's performing very well, especially when you want to short this one. Right, so that's where it makes money, by shorting Polkadot. It's not really the case right now to do it. The markets are bullish, Polkadot looks bullish, but it's missing the strength. Have a good time, folks. Enjoy, and keep in mind that such condition is not always going to exist. We're going to get out of this bubble, and we will start basically an accelerated momentum where the cryptocurrencies, as they're portrayed today, on which some of the people will just, and I see some selling pressure right there at this levels where the markets are bullish. There's some people that exit out Polkadot because it didn't move like it expected. That's obviously not trading based on the technicals. That's pretty much trading based on the emotional side, and that is the number one way of going bankrupt. Enjoy, folks. Check out this video till the end and find out more about the one-on-one coaching. I'd like to explain you more. You can qualify for a free call with me, including the ChatGPT bot trading. Talk to you soon. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling, not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is in advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time. But the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high. And that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.